guys. Okay, so lip gloss part 1, that went off because I'm sorry I didn't do a part 2. You guys did not like, but make sure you like and subscribe because this is Heart Cali. Even though it doesn't have the Heart Cali, I'm on but you guys will know because I'm upside down. Well, today you're gonna see somebody who's 9 years old. Marley is a cute little dog right here. Say hi, Marley. Go like this. Well, Marley doesn't do any tricks, so Marley, down. He's laying down. Like, boom, boom. But if he's up running around, you have to sit down. And someone is watching this, if you guys can see. And so here is the owner of the phone that I'm taking the video with. Let's zoom into her face. She does hair. It's Mr. Bell. If anybody needs help with your hair, she's there. So, bye. Boop.
Things all of a sudden started escalating, becoming more scary.
Okay.
Richard claims that
So, you guys, I have some new Fazzinis. Don't play with me. I got new Fazzinis. I got new Fazzinis. Don't play with my lips. Because look how much time I spent on my lips. I'm going to my Nana's house, and you guys are not coming with me. I know you aren't. Because today is going to be a special day. Because my Nana's house. Nana. No.
oh, who was Nana? The babysitter lady?
She's my great. She's my godmother. Well, that is not my mom. My mom is named Shelby Campbell. Ah! My.
Her name is Callie's mom.
Okay.
Her name is Callie's mom.
Okay.
Callie's mom. I'm saying, hey, Callie's mom. Callie and India's mom.
No. Okay, let me tell you guys.
Callie and India's mom.
I know her real name. Shelby Campbell. You're interrupting my video. Okay, guys. I do not know what that was. But can you hear me?
Quebec police have been busy this week making arrests in a theft that has made international headlines because the crime was so unique. This week,
I was just playing. That was not a real thing. That was not a real thing. Do not listen to her. Well, stream on live. Someone gotta subscribe to my video, and if they don't, you'll get payback on Instagram. No, really. Do not ever, never like and subscribe and not hit the bell.
pour lui, sa façon de contester la fédération. Je crois que peut-être que lui s'est trop emballé.
There's fighting in the legal system like on
And I tell you,
there's these guys that want
do not do it. Okay? Well, let's go see inside of somebody's room. Okay. So you guys know how I've never shown anybody someone's room. Room tour.
Stop making those videos over here.
Excuse me. Okay, so this is our bed. This is our chair and stuff. And then our bathroom's in there. Let's go in the mirror. And you guys see me. And I have some Frazzinis. Boop, 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 boop. And here I am again. Boop, 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 boop. Well, you guys, that's the end of the video. Well, see you guys. Bye.